Well, we made it out in Yellowstone.
Yeah, we made it, but we didn't make it far. One nice guy, a couple hours later, we were out. Look at that view. Let's get to work.
Justin's got his awesome roast on an open fire.
As you can see, part of working is taking these mattresses. Don't he look happy? And putting them inside of these tents right here. This is all part about working in a campground. Sometimes you have to assemble what you're working in. No, we can't do everything by ourselves. These wonderful housekeepers here did an amazing job all summer long keeping these tents beautiful. Part of being a campground manager? Tutorial videos. And what you don't see behind the scenes is people getting hurt. This is me losing my tooth, getting it repaired. Oh, don't I look pretty?
You look like you're on Laughing Gap. Today, Jessica and I are painting a food truck. This is one of the tasks you might do in a campground. Now that this thing's up to code, let's make me a sandwich. Oh yeah, that's a sandwich. Your job is never done. Always bend over to pick up a piece of trash.
One of the beauties of having us as campground managers is my husband knows how to operate heavy machinery, and he can do just about anything. When it's all said and done, you can even put it to the test. Now the rows are fixed, let's put out some grass seed.
I get the easy job here. I get to drive the truck. Not that they're doing very physical labor here. This campground was on free-range land, which means you might get a cow in your tent, and they tear them up.
I am damping this cloth down. I found this glue right here. I looked up a kit online to find a better way of fixing tents, and I found the ingredients to the glue, and these are very similar. So I tested it on another tent yesterday over there, and it held very well. So I'm going to try it on a bigger rip, give it a couple of stitches, and
sometimes these take a team effort. Repairing tents was a big part of this job. They were torn daily and usually multiple tents.
I might have gave her a hard time, but Stephanie was one of the best helpers you can get.
So now I'm going to start the maintenance. I go around, I look for rips, tighten up the tension. I always forget what those are called. But anyway, tighten those up. If we see something with the turnbuckles all the way up to the top, let's reposition this one so that we can continue tightening throughout the season. It's tent maintenance, some of it. Tent maintenance can be a variety of things. For one, stakes coming out of the ground. We want to make sure that we get those stakes back into the ground
When you work hard, you can't forget to play hard too. These are just some of the things we got to do. So don't forget to check out our other videos. And don't forget, like and share. Don't forget to sit back and enjoy the views. Enjoy time with guests, playing music, sitting by the fire, and enjoy time with your family, because that's what we're here for. It really has been an amazing summer. We have had some really amazing times here at this wonderful glamping campground, and we would love to do it again.
Good morning. Jessica and I, she looks happy, don't she? Are headed to Vegas today. Again, this is one of the benefits of living the life we live. We are around places that people pay to go vacation at. We get to go see it because we live right there or something like that. So, come on, let's take an adventure. Let's go see our adventure to Las Vegas.
What a cool moment. And yes, he's as big as he looked. As any parent would be, this is the moment our son decided to get baptized. We're extremely proud of him. Congratulations, Justin. And as all good things do, this summer is time to come to a close. So you're going to watch us wrap it up, shut it down, take everything down, and close it up. And at the close, I just want to give a quick shout out to all the family who helped us out on this marvelous journey. Justin T, Justin G, Stephanie, and Terry, you all worked very hard this summer. Ike, well, we just do what we do, and I love you. She's ready. Well, this has been fun. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we have. So until next summer, don't forget, like, comment, share.